Why does she USE and here with this revitalization?
aqui com essa revitalização.
If you have good ideas, you can do.
Ideias, você consegue fazer.
Guys, today we are going to do an experiment here.
Experimento.
I believe it will work very well. Follow their own. Who are we going to do the experiment with dark? He is 1,001 utilities. Guys, is as follows. Or show here Jessica. Here is a rug. You see it's not the rubber one. He is the carpet. How does he already get worn out here? Why? Let's see if he goes back to his origins here. Won't stay 100% because there is already a lot of brand here of US, but it's good because we see the result here in practice. Works. If it doesn't work, turn on it. I'll pass the tape here. Right, just so we can see the difference here. I will pass here. This test here, I'm curious, guys. This one, I'm curious. Only we are going to apply it. Nah, pistol. Ready, I already left dark here, separated here. Let's do it here, half by half. I've already passed the tape. Let's do this part here, smaller, and we will see the result here. Whether or not it makes a difference, I will give a. Soon, guys, let's see the right result here. I will take it here. Let's get the tape out there. You say there what you found. Let's go. And then, guys, you found there. Did you see that? It's already given a full body here where we've been here. Oh, dark. What happens? Does not transfer. And there's already a renewal here on the carpet. Look here on the carpet. And look here at the difference. We're whitish. And here with this revitalization. Look how this revitalization turned out, people. Look there, oh. How nice. Can you see there? The before and after. Look how cool. So, we're going to do the test here now, with the rubber mat. Let's do it here now, I'll get it out here. For this version of the rubber mat, I already advise you to apply with a brush, because he will body better, and the pistol gets good. But the result, with a brush it's even more satisfying, come on. I will show you here. This guy dark, he is very versatile. If you have good ideas, you can do a lot with dark. Finishing touches on your car, very much detail. Here I am applying with the brush that I found better. I had already done a test with the pistol. And then we do it here. And then you already see. How is renewed, guys? Look there. I'm going to get the tape out here now. Let's see how it got here. The before and after. Look there. It already looks totally different. Look here, when it dries, it will look better. You'll get that satiny yellow, right? It's not sticky. It has a dry touch. Guys, here is the other rug of the same car saw. Look here, oh the difference, the two front rugs. Look if there is no difference, people. It's screaming. It's already drying up here. It's already drying. But look at the difference. Shows more open like this, Jessica. Oh, this, I will become here. Show you. This service. Here you can include a cleaning. Detailed, or else you might be charging the part. By this service to the customer. It can be allied with many things in its aesthetics. Just you understand its purpose and you make good use of it. From our friend here. And that's it. Until the next video was worth.